ECU cloning, a skill you need to master, especially if you have your own ECU tuning business. Knowing how to perform ECU cloning not only helps you avoid excessive costs, but can also be a source of income for you. But how? To answer this question, it's best to first understand what ECU cloning is in general. ECU cloning is the process where the file from one ECU is transferred to another ECU of the same type. But what is the reason for this? And when do we need it? And if we do need it, how should we go about it? To answer these questions, we should first mention a few other points. It's likely that you've encountered a situation where the ECU engine control unit gets damaged or even completely fails during a remap of a vehicle or while working with the ECU. This can happen for various reasons, but more important than why this happened is that you can solve this problem so you don't lose money and your professional credibility doesn't get damaged. So, if there isn't a vendor of your brand near your home or workshop, if you've lost your car key and don't have the key code, or if you've run into trouble for any other reason, you should try ECU cloning. A frequently asked question is, what ECU cloning software is available? What are the best ECU tuning tools? Of course, all these questions are answered in our ECU cloning course. But here, just as a general explanation, we should say that if you need software for ECU cloning, it can be said that the best software for this task is Winulz. However, regarding ECU cloning tools, we should mention that there are several well-known programmers for this purpose. In this ECU cloning course, we have trained using programming tools such as KES3, Flex, DimSport, PCM Flash, and KT200, along with several other programmers which you can find listed in the description. Another thing to keep in mind is that after performing ECU cloning, all data related to the VIN number, immobilizer code, odometer, distance from last service or DPF regeneration, all special coding set up, software update, or any modification like remapped, EGR, DPF deleted and similar data will be preserved on the ECU and transferred from the faulty ECU to the new functional one. Additionally, besides the ECU, you can also clone other modules such as BSI, Body Systems Interface modules, Body Control modules, BMW CAS modules, Mercedes EZS, EIS modules, airbag modules, instruments clusters. How should I perform ECU cloning? In this training course, we will teach you how to do ECU tuning completely, from A to Z, and we will support you in carrying out this task. Everything you need for ECU cloning is available, and the rest just requires a good course to learn ECU cloning, for which the ECU Cloning course by Schiller is available to you. So what are you waiting for?